There's one thing I want to fix as well that I wish you could also apply, and yeah, 100% is going to improve your results. You know, you have to be strong and come back and fix those mistakes that you did prior, right? Don't leave it like that, because this game is psychological, guys. Forex is very much psychological, so you need to fix that, and you're never gonna be perfect with it. Good morning, guys. Hope you're easy, another day, it's another dollar, you know what I'm saying. So guys, in today's video I just want to show you a trading experience I had this week. So this week was pretty much trash. I had a very bad week. I think I have 3 losses right now, but then I'll try to show you the trades I share. And then there's one thing I want to fix as well that I wish you could also apply, and yeah, 100% is going to improve your results. Okay, I've been applying this, but then this week I stopped because I had a little bit of stress. You know, I was stressed out this week and I couldn't focus nicely on the chart. But then all of the trades were amazing, nice trades, but then there were improvements here and there, right? Technically, right? So I'll show you something here so that you can learn a thing or two. As you know, guys, in this channel we're all about transparency. You know, I'm the GOAT. I always kill the forex market, the Falcon strategy, but then, you know, I have my days as well, because it wouldn't make sense if I'd kill the market every day. That would be very suspicious. But so this week was an L week, but then, you know, the W's are gonna come next week, you know what I'm saying, or the other week. But then it doesn't matter. If I'm in a losing streak, it's fine, it's part of the journey. When last was I in a losing streak to begin with? So it's an experience, and I'm just cool, calm and collected and composed. But then I need to decrease the amount of trades that I take. But then I'm just gonna go through the trades that I took and also share some nice points about it. Without any further ado, let's just get to the chart. Okay, guys, right here it is a trade that was there, right? So normally what I usually do, okay, because this is just a 1 2 3 touch, right? I usually play the 50% of the candlestick when the candlestick is very long. But then what happened here, if I did that, the price action started to go up. Like when I'm checking, once it was there after this candlestick, that was already 1%. And usually what I do is, once price action is on 1%, I usually lock into break even, and then I leave the trade, right? But then what happened here, the trade went to break even and then it retraced. So seemingly, if I did do the limit order there and it did take, but then with this price action I would have been taken out in break even still, so it wasn't necessary for me to put on the buy limit. So I ended up removing it, okay? And then it did come tagged, and then it went up. So now I wasn't able to take the trade in that scenario because my entry criteria wasn't met. However, still one would have still managed to take this trade. Let's say quick get, guys. So today's video is sponsored by FastBull. So this time around, guys, FastBull is offering a trading contest whereby traders are gonna be competing for money, you know the vibes. So check it out, guys. So guys, there's cash prizes to be won, as you can see here, guys, up to 22,500 USD to be won, you know the vibe. So as you can see, the first prize is 10,000 rand, second prize, third prize. And what I like about this competition is not only giving the top 3 money, but the rest of the people, even if you are top 10, you can get something, man, like $100, you know the vibe. So if you know you are good, you can just check them out. And there's also rules on how the trading contest shall be held, you know the vibes. And there's also 10 days left for us to register right here. So as you can see, register, and registering is for free, guys. We do the need just to get in here, man, and try to win this free money, you know the vibes. And also remember, guys, that FastBull offers trading view features for free. Yes, you heard me correctly, trading view features for free forever. As you know, when trading view, if you want to maybe do multiple alerts or even back test, you usually have to pay a subscription fee, but here it's just for free. So do check FastBull out. The link is going to be in the description of the video. So let's get back to the video. You have multiple platform accounts or multiple trading accounts. That is where the multiple trading accounts get into account, because then you can play this riskier entries on the other accounts. I wouldn't even call it a riskier entry because it is a long. However, you might want to target a lesser risk to reward, because now the candlestick is long. However, the trade is there, because you can see the trade is playing out. Maybe you can look to take yourself a 1:2, right? With me, it was not that much worth it, but then it can still add into profit. Let's say that criteria wasn't met, because still the long candlestick does work. This is a very beautiful bullish engulfing, but as for me, stunning for me, so I decided to stay out. But then if I had another account, right, I'd have taken the trade there, which I do have other accounts. Just that, guys, this week I'm pretty much stressed. So I'm a human myself. I'm not gonna be perfect every week, so my flow zone isn't that much on 100%, but then I'm still trying to be available and charts and make use of the performance that I have left in my mind. But then next week I'm gonna come back a stronger man, you know what I'm saying. But then yeah, we all have problems, you know, like this life, bro. But then you know, you have to be strong and come back and fix those mistakes that you did prior, right? Don't leave it like that, because this game is psychological, guys. Forex is very much psychological, so you need to fix that, and you're never gonna be perfect with it. In as much as I'm starting to get the hang of it, I'm not gonna be perfect. I'm gonna make mistakes here and there. Even the biggest of traders do the same thing, guys. They do make mistakes, so do not think they don't. And when you do mistakes, you start to beat yourself in the head like, yeah, you're doing something wrong. No, well, humans, we're not AIs, we're not robots, guys. Here we're doing we're trading the Forex market. Discretion is going to be here. Our mind, you have to have energy, you have to sleep well, and you don't have to have problems in life. But then this is life, you're gonna have that. So there's gonna be weeks that you're gonna fumble, but then if you have a team, you have a community behind your back, we're gonna be pushing each other, because some others in the Discord are making it fine and others are also flanging it. I'm telling them, no, relax guys, you're with me. I'm also having a bad week, but then it isn't something that happens every week. But then this is Forex, bro. You win some, you lose some, so it's whatever, you know what I'm saying. But then yeah, the trade here would have been killed, right, if you had another account. And I want to show you this as well. You see here, having multiple accounts will also assist you in like taking other trades as well. Let's say the market is providing us with multiple entries, right, but then you find that okay, you have only one account, it becomes a problem. So what you need to do is that such things, okay, you have to have at least, let me say, like 3 to 4 prop firm accounts, especially if you want to pass those stuff, right, because you don't need to put all your psychology on one account, because there you're gonna mess up a lot, and yeah, you won't see the progress in as much as the trades are gonna be there. Like it happens that you take a trade and it's a good trade, but then doesn't play out, okay, and then there's gonna be another trade that you decided not to take, but then however it does play out. So what I'm advising is that your guys should have multiple profile accounts. Let's say you take this trade, you see this trade lost, right, and then on another account you take a trade like this. Let me show you. You take a trade like this, because yesterday I took a trade AUDNZD and I lost, and there was also this trade again, right, and this trade would have been taken on another prop firm account, right, because you have maybe multiple. So maybe on one account you're gonna maybe lose, on other accounts you're gonna win big. This was like how many percent? A 5% trade, a very beautiful trade it was, right? So you have to be doing that, because they say now the weekends, like you're still happy, bro. I know you lost 1% on one account, but then on the other you gain 5, still you are up, right? Because now another thing is that because here we're using risk management, so you cannot be taking all of the trades in one account, because you end up blowing that account or maybe messing up your daily drawdown. So that's what a majority of traders do. You try to bombard one account with a lot of trades. Don't do that, just buy multiple of them, so that you can also stand a chance to pass that shit, okay? Because here you want to pass that shit, make money on it, withdraw, and then you find your personal capital where there's no rules, right? Because like the stupid rules nowadays, find that there's problem saying a stop loss shouldn't be placed, and when you didn't know that rule, and then at night maybe let's say you took a position later, maybe let's say 8 p.m. and then the swaps come at 11 p.m. maybe you want to remove that stop loss so that they can be, the spreads cannot hit you, and then you remove the stop loss, and then you find an email that your account has been breached, okay? So that is a situation that happened on one of my students. So and then that is why I partnered with Prop Firm Match, which is our prop firm trading tool, a forex trading tool, whereby it searches for you the best prop firms with the rules you are wanting to trade, so you can filter everything. I also did make a video about it. You can filter the prop firm you want, the amount. Also you can check the rules as well, right? It has the rules at hand, so you can check everything if the prop firm, so that you can see if that is a good prop firm. And all of those prop firms in that website are very much the legit prop firms around the world, so you should trust the website. I also now use it, and I want to buy my multiple accounts using that tool, okay? So there's also discounts as well that are given for us, right? On that platform, you get in there, you can see that discounts, right? Okay, this prop firm is offering 50%, this one is offering 10%, this one is offering an extra challenge when you're approaching payouts. A lot of stuff is available on that website, so it's very dope, guys. When you please check it out. Okay guys, so let's get back to the chart. So this is what I wanted to show you right now, that okay, this is what we usually go through, right? So you need multiple accounts, multiple prop firm accounts, and also multiple trading accounts, and make sure you trade the prop firm account, because that is where the big money is, right? Do not fool yourself and saying I'm gonna be trading personal capital. No guys, fine, prop firms are full of shit, but then the tool is there for that, so that you can avoid those prop firms that are full of shit. But then the prop firms, guys, are gonna be a game changer in your life, no cap. So you need to fix your trading plans, your trading strategy, and your trading psychology, right? And your trading everything, bro. So I would advise you to, okay, if you want like a strong community which is going to assist you with that, join our Discord. It's just 500 per month, and we'll get everything sorted, bro. We have the likes of the daily watch list, midweek market review, Sunday market breakdown, live signals, a lot, bro, of educational stuff, right? So you should check that out as well. The link is going to be in the description of the video. Like, you should just go through my Telegram and then you find my number there, or I'm just gonna pop it there for people who wanna WhatsApp me and ask more about the Discord, right? So let's get back to the video again. Okay, fam, now I wanna hit town. You see my trip is work. Look at how bombed up I am, bro. Like, imagine a forex trader looking like this now, bro. I just wanna go cop some nice drip at sports scene. I'm gonna show you around and show you the stuff I'm gonna buy. But yeah, let's get on with the vlog. And guys, I'm getting a new editor, like not a new, but then I've hired someone to edit my videos. So I'm looking to post around 8 videos per month. So guys, the value is still gonna be dropped and the entertainment is still gonna be there. You know what I'm saying? Because right now we're in the charts, but then we say, oh, let's go hit town. I wanna get some breakfast as well because I'm so hungry as shit. And then get the drip and also with the drip same time. I'm gonna try showing you how the drip is gonna look like. And you say, guys, continue with the day. Okay, so now guys, I want to show you how I do my ASR, because guys, I'm not a perfect trader myself. I do have my L times, or even if I'm winning, I have to review my trade. So right now I want to show you guys how I review bad trades and how I also review good trades. So you're gonna take a lot from this, because I know majority of you guys do ASR. Maybe you're not doing it the right way, so better taking off from someone who is consistently profitable. So guys, come join. Okay guys, so when I'm journaling, so this is the journal that I use. So I'm gonna show you guys how I journal my trades and how I try to improve if I made something correct or wrong, you know what I'm saying. So I just want to show you a few positions that I took, but then I feel like the positions I shouldn't have taken them, you know what I'm saying. So I'm just gonna show you a few stuff of what I usually do. So I just have my screenshots. I love to keep it simple, I no longer use that thing, you remember the spreadsheet, the Excel one, the Falcon one, original one, because that one I used to have a lot of information, bro, like a lot of spaces to be filled. Some of them are very much unnecessary, like the stop losses, take profits now, whatever, and the money lost. There was a lot, man. So I ended up not using that, and then I said, listen bro, let me just use the Microsoft Word, and I just have my screenshots, keep it simple, man. And then I have my comments below, you know what I'm saying. So this is a trade that I took. So these are the trades of September currently, you know what I'm saying. So this is a trade that I took, 1 2 3 double top type of a thing, and yeah, I didn't play ours. But then as I was looking at the trade, I was like, okay, maybe how can I improve in such positions, man. So here, this trade, I feel like the depth of the middle section wasn't that I love my structures to have much more depth in terms of how big is the middle section, because the depth usually, for me, it increases the probability of a trade playing out, right? Having a bigger depth than this, because this is just a pennant, bro. So I don't usually like trading the pennants as well, like very low success rates and such stuff, right? So yeah, the structure was big, needed to see much more weighted middle section to confirm this position as a high quality trade. So this trade lacked depth of the 1 2 3, right? So next time, bro, I'm gonna make sure when a trade like this comes, and I have journal with me, so and then I remember that, okay, if a trade is like this, why don't I wait for a little bit of depth, given the structures are very big now. So depth would be very nice to be bigger, not the small one, right? right? So even this depends on the sizes of the flags, man, like, you know. So yeah, and then here it was 80 and ZT. I thought this was another loss that I took. So you see, this was a normal loss. I wouldn't complain as much, but then what I'd improve here is that you see the entry candlestick there. Next time I'd like for it to be much more bigger than that, because look at the size of this flag. In as much as, yeah man, it is an entry, but then is it a high quality entry? No, because I rushed into the entry. So next time when the flags are big, like everything, I want it to be directly proportional, you know what I'm saying? So yeah man, so I'd improve that in the future. And then yeah, okay, we took a trade and we won, bro. And then I locked in 1% because it was 2.8. So I decided for like discretion to manage this one with discretion. Yeah, people were thinking I'm losing all the trades. Nah, bro, these are wins. There are wins here as well, man. So it's a mixture of everything. But then you see, I know how to manage risk, bro. Like I know very well. So this is a trade that I took and it won, and like it was a fine trade. I also stopped crop there. As you can see, the stop loss was at the end of the week, because I felt like, now why would price want to go down again? But if it does, which means my trade would be violated, right? And then we came again, we took this 1 2 3. These are very good trades, by the way. These are very good trades, guys. Like this is a nice 1 2 3. And then yeah, I did what it did, didn't play out. It is what it is. We go on to the next. So this is a very good trade. I have nothing to fix here, man. Even this is, I wouldn't say this is a hook point, because this was from a corrective price action. I don't usually consider such stuff as a hook, so I just put it there just in case. But it did react on that level, which is fine. But then yeah man, it is what it is. And then the next trade that I took was GBP and ZD, which I closed for 2.5%, bro. So these are the comments here. Took this position 12 midnight. That's the only red flag. However, I've noticed that match trader prop, the spreads for swaps don't open that much, so taking trades at night and the platform, I'll take them again. So actually what I'm saying is that, you see what I've noticed, this trade I took it at night, but like 12 a.m, bro. So I was checking the swaps in the trade, like the spreads and whatever. So there were very nice spreads, bro, especially when you're using match trader. Very thin spreads, bro. But it depends on the prop firm still, you know. But then the prop firm that I'm using was very thin spreads, right? And then yeah, I took the trade, right? It got executed there with the 15-minute entry, and then it went to hit my take profit right in the morning. So it was a very nice trade, man. So yeah, but luckily this was a 5% trade, just that I'm risking 0.5 per trade, so that is why there's that 2.5 there. But then this is a 1:5R trade. So you know, I'm killing the forex market, guys. I don't want to lie, it is being destroyed. You see, like I've fully mastered my strategy very well. And yeah, for anyone who'd like to join me and would like to learn from me, I do offer mentorship, right? Yeah, you should like WhatsApp me to inquire about it. And I also offer the Discord, bro. The Discord, we were discussing this trade yesterday, the live trading. So this was GBP and ZD. So here it is, right? That's the trade. And then let's check it out, see if how's it going, bro, to see if it's being in the Discord legit. For sure it is, man. So okay, we took this trade. It is retracing right now. The entry was good, bro. Like we'll see how it plays out, you know. So I took the trade, and then it did give us a push down, but now it's retracing a bit. But bro, the entry is fine. Look at how beautiful the entry was, man. Look at how beautiful the entry was. And what is nice about this one is just did over 50% of this previous candlestick. The entry is very strong. This is a shooting star formation, bro. So you can see this is just a 1 2 3 touch double top there, like a 15-minute hook point there. So if we win or loss, this trade is very amazing. Look at the depth we have it. Like you see, we have our proper middle section. Yeah, you have recall spacing. There's a lot of nice things about this trade, you know. So to this low, we have around 3% to manage the trade. So man, but then the overall direction that I'm looking to take the trade is down there, man. Like it's not just up there, it's down there, man. So yeah, maybe like we can break these lows, but then I'm gonna manage it aggressively as we approach these lows, man, because I don't know, we might retrace. So maybe I'm gonna lock myself, maybe let's say just 2% to if I want to reach there, just to give it the potential to continue going down, right? And then if you start breaking there, and then happily maybe increase to 2.5, like the way I feel like when it's there at the moment. I'll see, but as it's starting to go down, I just lock my tree and then I wait for it to see. So but that is yet to be seen, guys, because we haven't locked in break even yet, so we're still holding the position, but then it is looking good. I don't want to lie, so we're just gonna hold that for now, and then this is the rest of the watch list. So yeah, man, yeah, I think that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. Can you please also subscribe if you're not subscribed, and also like the video. This is an amazing video. Hope you learned a lot of stuff here, man, today. So yeah, man, I'm gonna continue with the good vlogs, with the education, man, because all I want to do is just to give you value, man, on YouTube. And yeah, man, and also we're growing, bro. Road to 5k subscribers, but we're up 4.7. Remember the last time we were celebrating 4k subscribers, and we're only just left with less than 300 right now, less than 300, and be hitting 5k, bro. You guys have been amazing, bro. Thank you so much for the support, and I'm also gonna be continuing with our value, guys. And if you want to join my inner circle, don't hesitate. I'm just gonna pop my number there, and then you do the things, guys. You DM me, and then you talk about it, and then you get in there, and then start getting the value from the boy. With that said, guys, I'm gonna see you on my next video. Goodbye.